The Isaac Pinckney house has been lovingly restored and maintained inside and out. This spacious townhouse is located just off of historic Benefit Street in the heart of the coveted East Side. Hardwood floors span the entire layout of this unit that is filled with charm and gorgeous details. The spacious living room with windows on 3 sides is perfect for hosting friends and family. Granite counters and gleaming stainless steel appliances make the updated kitchen a chef's dream. Relax in the refuge of the quiet den, which makes a perfect workspace. Completing the main floor are a generous bedroom and a remodeled bathroom with a granite vanity and shower. Upstairs are 2 versatile spaces where you can create additional bedrooms, rec rooms, or workspaces. Take in views of downtown from the many skylights that illuminate the top level with a convenient laundry. This historic home is located along Providence's Independent Trail, a walking tour showcasing 4 centuries of Providence's history, architecture, and culture. This great location puts you a short stroll from College Hill, giving you access to the campuses of both Brown University and the Rhode Island School of Design. Walk to all of the acclaimed museums and take advantage of convenient dining and shopping nearby on South Main and North Main Streets. Enjoy the natural beauty of the East Side and visit the many parks in the surrounding areas, like Prospect Park and India Point Park, set right on Narragansett Bay. Commute to Boston and beyond by using the convenient downtown train station. You can also catch a show at one of Providence's renowned theaters or take in the excitement of Waterfire. For more information, please visit the property website or call Annalise Erkin & Cohen at area code 401-529-3984.